The Supreme Court took up a petition on the breach of Prime Minister's security. It's asked both the centre and Punjab government to stop investigation till Monday, when hears the matter next. During the hearing on Friday, centre claimed the blockade could have links to terror. Here's a look.
The Supreme Court has asked both centre and Punjab to refrain from conducting inquiries into Prime Minister's security breach till Monday. It has asked the Registrar General of the Punjab and Haryana High Court to secure the records relating to the Prime Minister's visit to Firozpur on January 5. The hearings on Friday saw both the centre and state trading charges. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta raised a terror link, referring to videos by banned outfit Sikhs for Justice calling for action against the Prime Minister. He claimed the blockade could be a subject of cross-border terrorism. Mehta also said any mishap would have become a subject of national embarrassment. The centre argued that the case should not be investigated by the State Committee and the presence of an NIA officer is a necessity. The Advocate General of Punjab objected to the presence of an SPG officer in the Central Probe Committee. Earlier, the probe team set up by the MHA team visited the spot where Prime Minister's convoy was stopped to take the stock of the situation. The MHA panel has summoned the Punjab DGP and 13 other police officials. An FIR has also been registered. Meanwhile, politics has escalated. The BJP has blamed the security breach on Sonia Gandhi, even as State Congress Chief Navjot Singh Sidhu called the incident an attempt to deflect attention from what he called a poorly attended rally.
प्रधानमंत्री की सुरक्षा क्या पंजाब की पुलिस तक सीमित है? क्या उसमें आईबी, रॉ, सेंट्रल एजेंसीज में किन किन के नाम लूं? जब कोई ऐसा प्लान ही नहीं था कि वो सड़क से जाएंगे, तो यकायक ये प्लान कैसे बदला? ह्यूमिलिएशन से बचना चाहते थे कि जो बीजेपी का कंप्लीट फेलियर, दे वर लाइक अ बस्ट बलून।
रास्ते के क्लियरेंस दी गई थी, इसको भी कोई अस्वीकार नहीं कर सकता। रास्ता क्लियर करना और सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड करना, ये एज पर ब्लू बुक जो है स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का दायित्व था, इसको भी कोई इनकार नहीं कर सकता। मुझे लगता है कि चीज़ें सब स्पष्ट हैं। पंजाब की सरकार और सरकार जिनके इशारों पर काम कर रही थी, वो कांग्रेस आलाकमान इस पाप के बोझ से कभी मुक्त नहीं हो पाएंगे।
While politics and blame game continues, the real issue remains unanswered. What exactly happened at Firozpur and how can a repeat be avoided? Bureau Report, India Today.